Hello everyone, this is CEO 100 Abel, and tonight I am at the Embassy Suites by Hilton Tucson East in Tucson, Arizona. Back in August 2001, when my parents and I stayed here for the first time, it was called the DoubleTree Inn. I think it was called Radisson by the time my parents and I stayed here together again in September 2004. And my dad and I are staying here again at long last in 2023. And now it's called the Embassy Suites by Hilton. So let's take a tour. This right here is the door with a map on the bottom of this page. And there's a do not disturb sign, a good option. A coffee maker plus some sugar and sweetener packets and straws and so on, and cups. And in this cupboard there's a microwave oven and a safe. In this other cabinet there is a fridge. Danby designer. It feels pretty cold inside. And this right here is a desk. We have several things on here like water bottles, bread slices, and my Windows 7 Home Premium Service Pack 1 laptop. And this right here is a recharge dock that can be used for recharging batteries of cell phones and laptops. And this right here is a lamp right above. Pretty cool. Nice comfy chairs. Oh, here's the lamp. It looks pretty good. And here's the TV. It's a Samsung HD flat screen model. And this is the couch that can be turned into a bed, which does look like a bed right now since I'm going to sleep in it. One of the pillows came from the king-sized bed in the bedroom, which I'll show you in a moment. And this is why this footstool with the wood board and the TV remote have been moved over. And right over here is a nice set of curtains. And there's a balcony. Not sure if you could see it well since it's pretty dark right now. It's nighttime at the moment. You can get a nice view from there. These drawers are empty, of course. Nice sunset picture. And this is the thermostat. The number says 74 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And right over here is the bedroom. And this is the king-sized bed, which is what my dad is going to sleep in. There are two different bedside lamps. Let's turn on this one. There. It looks pretty nice. And this is the hotel phone. Suite 419. I am in room 419 on the 4th floor. So that's a good reminder. Pretty nice bed frame. And here is another Samsung HD flat screen TV model. Nice lamp. Nice curtain. Nothing to see right now. And this is the other bedside lamp. Let's turn on for a moment. And you can choose 2 different light settings. This is the brightest of all, and this is not as bright. Good looking floor. Excuse me. And here I am in the bathroom. This is one of the sinks, the first one which I've been using for a while so far. A towel and a washcloth. This door leads to the bedroom in case you're wondering. A light switch, electrical outlet. And this is the other sink which my dad has been using. And here's the toilet, the towels, and the hair dryer, toilet paper roll, the shower, which can be used as a bathtub as well. Over the years, they have made some improvements, which is why this place looks pretty different from the last time we all stayed here in 2004. This is a sweet room. It looks great. Well, that'll be it for this hotel room tour video. That's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed it.